Welcome back to the lecture series of Python programming. In this video, I'm going to discuss most important and unavoidable questions from module 1. So please pay the attention. It will be really helpful for your exam point of view. Let's get started. The first question is write a program to generate the Fibonacci series. Here you need to write the algorithm and how you are going to develop the program. Loop structure, everything should be very much clear. Second one is write a program to find the factorial of a given number by using the function. Okay. Using the function only, you are supposed to, you can do many methods, but here they are specifying how to calculate the factorial by using a user-defined function. So in order to create the user-defined function, there are some keywords like a def, starting with the def, like a factorial, whatever it may be, you can create the function. Next is develop a Python program to calculate the area of the rectangle and the triangle. Here you need to know the basic operator. You should know what is the formula for calculating the area of rectangle and the triangle respectively. Then triangle you can go for like if like right angle triangle, or you can go for like a heroine's formula. Next is called develop a Python program to check whether the given number is even or odd. We can go for like a if else statement. Better go for if else statement. It is a two-way branching statement. You can directly get the answer. Explain the local scope and global scope with help of suitable examples. Okay. Here, this topic is comes under the function. You should know the difference between local and a global scope. I have already explained. You can check my previous videos. I'll be sharing the same thing in the I button. Okay, you can just check it up. The interpret if, elif, for, while, break, continue statement in Python with the help of example. Whenever you are explaining, it is better to do the flow chart. Using the flow chart and the real-time example, you can easily explain. Discuss the various method of importing the module. Import. You can use the keyword called import. Then write the note on global statement and built-in function. What is the difference between built-in function and user-defined function I discussed? And also the importance of global statement. That is also already covered in my previous lecture. What is a function? Illustrate the define and user-defined function with a suitable example. That also can be observed, can be listened my previous video. Develop a Python program to read the name and year of a birth of a person. Print whether the person is senior citizen or not. Here you need to use if-else statement. Write a program to take the birthday as the input and print the user's age and number of days, hours, minute, and the date till the next birthday. So, what is how long it will be taking for the next birthday in terms of number of days, hours, and minutes. Those things can be printed. So these are the important questions. Moving further, few more important questions I have noticed. Demonstrate with the help of example what is the importance of print, input, len, string concatenation, string replication, etc. For string concatenation, you can use plus operator. For string replication, you can go for like a star operator. Print is an output function. Input, it will accept, using this function. It is a built-in function. You can accept the input from the users. Write a program to get the current date and print of the day of the week. That is also a very simple program. Evaluate. Here you need to use the modulo operator and integer division. You need to know exponential function as well as star operator. Then not false is nothing but true. Here you need to know star operator and the exponential function. Okay. So these are the important like questions you can expect from the module 1. Let me know if you have any queries so I can answer through your comment box. And thank you for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day.